Alright, just to let you know what's going on. This rack is sitting too far back. I mean, too far forward. You see it? Making all kind of wind noise. I'm gonna show you that in the video. But I'm gonna cut it back and move the solar panels. See where these two gaps are? Go close that up. Move it back, put an air dam in. But first thing I'm doing is I have to replace, see how small this one is? And how tall that one is and skinny? I'm gonna replace these two with one like this. And then, because it shakes. You guys can stop that from shaking. So I have to take this guy, see it, from the bracket, pull these off on both sides, cut them short, and then slide it back, put an air dam on it. It's really, really, really loud when I'm driving. So hopefully it'll stop that. We'll see. If not, plan B. See what happens. See, this is a far end bracket or all the way to the front. I'm going back 10.5 inches, so it's gonna have to come back. But I'm gonna leave it bolted up for right now. Right now I'm about to pull this bar here off. And I have this piece which holds this main brace for the solar panels. So it's pretty heavy. But I don't want to hold it, lay it on the ground. So as you see, I have it sitting and see it, it's off. This is just a flashing. Cost 10 bucks. It's a little wrinkly, but I think it'll hold up pretty good. I got it screwed in with sheet metal screws with tape under it made for doors, RV doors and stuff. Move the two solar panels over. That way I can have like some kind of rack for a kayak or something maybe down the road. And that's it. One finished roof rack. Hopefully this will stop the wind noise. That's what I'm hoping for. I won't know until I give it a test drive, but I think it's gonna work. All right, thanks for watching. I'm doing 70 on the interstate and you can't even hear it at all. Before it sounds like the roof was gonna come off. But it's got a little wind noise, but I think that's just from the box itself. But way better. You can't even hear it. I mean, it was really, really bad. So, the air dam worked. Now we can start on the inside.